What if our heads turned into tablets?
No big deal. Hounsome's head is already a tablet.
Oh, Houndsome, if our heads turned into tablets, our hairstyles will now change at the click of a button. Our lipstick colors will also change at the click of a button. Showers may cause the tablets to malfunction. Some people may keep on breaking their tablet screens. Street lights will not be needed anymore.
Oh.
Even our heads will now need charging. Our pets may keep on scratching the tablet screens. These may easily change their appearance. Cops may not recognize them. We may change our look at the click of a button. Villains may run away from us. Even aliens may try to experiment with their heads.